My daughter was coming home from a friend's house and was hit almost head on by a vehicle coming the opposite direction who had run the red light. The vehicle that my daughter was driving was spun around 2 to 3 times and ended up facing the opposite direction up against a light pole. She ended up going to the emergency room, so there was quite a bit of anxiety, fear, as well as just the basic physical pain. Immediately after the accident, my daughter was very sore, very stiff through the neck and the back, and in a significant amount of pain. She was always a very active kid growing up and was involved in high school sports. She was very concerned about her long-term recovery and what she would be able to participate in the future. I very much appreciated working with Clark Fielding and everyone at the Fielding Law Group as we dealt with this case. From the very beginning, one of the very first questions that was asked was, "Is your daughter okay? And how is she feeling?" And that set the tone for me, knowing that ultimately her health and well-being and her recovery was going to be the top priority. We were very concerned about what we would do in terms of not having a vehicle for her to drive anymore and what we could expect with the insurance company for the other driver. And the Fielding Law Group was outstanding in helping us to navigate through all of those things. It was a very smooth process. Clark and all of his associates were very good with keeping me updated. The Fielding Law Group had our back and was concerned about the overall recovery, both physically, emotionally. There was a determination there to not give up, not give in, and frankly, represent us in a way that we were going to be taken care of no matter what. The ultimate settlement for our case and my daughter's case was outstanding. Almost unheard of is the description that we got when we ultimately were settled and done. I would always recommend the Fielding Law Group and Clark Fielding to anyone that I know who needs legal representation for injuries, accidents, or anything of that nature. They are professional. They are determined, they are caring, they listen, and they want the best resolution for their clients, myself included.